YouTube, Brandon Beatty here, and today I'm going to show you how to make that kind of trance style saw lead. Not quite a super saw, but I find it comes pretty close, and it's a pretty cool sound to do on the SE-02. So let's dive right in here, and we're going to start with our oscillators. We're going to want to make all three of them saw waves. From there, we're going to turn them all the way up. Keep our filter all the way up. And we're going to want to detune two of the oscillators. Now, one needs to be a positive detune and one needs to be a negative detune. And they don't have to be detuned exactly the same. They really don't. So you want to just push one up until you hear it just sound horrible. Then you know you've gone too far, and from there we can dial it back to where it sounds just right again. And we'll detune the other. There we go. We have a 3 saw here. Not quite a super saw again. All right. Now from there, we're going to add just a little bit of noise. You don't want to really necessarily be able to hear it. So again, dial it in until you hear it, but then pull it back to where you find that it adds to the sound. If you took it out, you would notice a difference. So I find between 2 and 3 seems to work. And from there, we're going to dial in our cutoff just a little bit here because this sounds a little obnoxious. Okay, now we'll work on the amp envelope. So we kind of want a pluck with this sound, but we don't want it to completely like fade away when we press the note. We want it to be able to hold out a little bit. So to accomplish that, we're going to turn the sustain down probably about halfway. We'll start with halfway, and we're going to add in a bit of a decay. Adjusted the sustain a little bit. And finally, we want to add just a little bit of release. Now, on the SE-02, you're kind of stuck basically with whatever amount of release you're going to get out of the decay. But that's totally fine. Great. And then from there, we're going to work on our filter envelope. And for that, we want another pluck as well. So first, we'll put in a little bit of a pluck here, and then we're going to, smooth up our contour. And I do have the key tracking on. That was on from another patch, but we will want to use key tracking. We'll start with about 1/3, and we'll dial in our contour. Not too much here. So right about there, we have a nice pluck. You don't need too much with this saw lead. Just enough. From there, we're going to add some modulation to the oscillator itself. So we want to detune the oscillators a little bit here. We're going to do a pretty moderately fast rate. I would say the rate should last about how long a 16th note in your track is going to last. Pull it back, and we want that waver. you can hear it adding a lot of interest with the detuning of the saws. And finally, the last thing we can add here is some delay. So we're looking for about kind of a thirds kind of feel to it. And from there, it's pretty important to obviously play around with the cutoff to get that trance sound. And finally, the last kind of development we can do to this patch and take it a step further is I found that if we take the first oscillator and bump it up an octave, this can definitely add that extra hype to the lead. And so if you need that, it kind of sounds like another voice stepping in an octave higher. So ideally you would do this maybe as a second layer. So here's without it. Alright guys, and that's it. Thanks for checking it out. If you had the SE-02 and that helped you, I'd love to hear any patches you've created with this kind of template. Thanks for checking it out, guys.